serving today, a red cabbage salad. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to break it down so that, say you only want part of this dressing, then just use that part. You know, you can suit your own taste buds. So I'll just get my equipment ready and I'll be with you. Now you can cut that lemon for me in two. Now we've both washed our hands, so we're all very organised here. We're going to need a lemon squeezer. Would somebody be able to get me one? That's great, thanks. I forgot to bring it out. Now everybody should have the recipe. Is that right? Did everybody get a recipe? We had them at the...
No.
Okay, well, Celine will give them out there to you, so we'll have a moment. So will you squeeze those for me? Lovely. Now the simplest dressing in the world is olive oil and lemon juice with a little bit of salt. Now instead of salt you could use dulse, you could use tamari, you could use miso. That's the simplest dressing and it goes with everything. So you can use a light oil, like the sunflower oil is much lighter. If you want the taste not to be overpowering, I would suggest using a light oil. But if you like the Mediterranean flavour of olive oil, then use olive oil. It's much stronger. It'll be lovely over tomatoes, anything with red, anything sort of Mediterranean. But anything like a coleslaw or a red cabbage, a light oil would be better. So this is all in one dressing. This is the type of dressing you love to have. Now if you don't have a blender, what you do is you get a bottle, screw it on, you put your stuff in, shake it. You can do the tango, whatever you like, and that'll be a lovely, it'll do the same job. It's just we're doing this for speed. So we add our oil. This is a half pint of olive oil, half pint of sunflower oil. Now I put my lemon juice. That's lovely. And it's 2 dessert spoons of lemon juice, isn't it? No, it's 4. So that's about about 3/4 of a lemon. It's lovely. Thanks very much, Kirby. Now we have it. Now the agave, I'm not going to put the agave in this one so you can taste the difference. The dressing that you will get in the red cabbage salad has the agave. You can use agave as a sweetener. It's a bit like honey. It's a syrup. It sweetens. You can use it for cakes. I use it in my cheesecakes and in my creams. I use it in my chocolates. You can also use honey. Then you can develop into stevia and lucuma and other sweeteners. This one will be a non-sweetened version of the salad so that you can have a different choice, because you will be tasting the one sweetened, so you can taste this without it being sweetened and you can see. It's slightly bitter. I sort of like bitter myself. So if you like rocket, if you're the type of person that likes rocket, this will be lovely. Very nice. So I use Himalayan salt now. I find this is brilliant salt. It's like, I would consider it now the best salt on the market. But that's just my own take on it. Now these are brown mustard seeds. I like using the whole grains. These are organic. This dressing, I really got the idea from Avoca. They have like a mustard sweet dressing. So I had to look at theirs and I just tweaked it a bit that would suit us here. So I put that in. That's 4 dessert spoons. Now I have 2 cloves of garlic. That gives it an extra little kick. I'm going to just use them whole because this blender can do everything but stand on its head, really. So I'm just going to do it. Now, if you have problems with your stomach, what you would normally do is you'd cut it open and you'd take out this part here. If you have somebody who's very delicate, you just take out that part because that part is hard to digest. And then if you want the full value of a garlic, you would leave on the skin, because that would be very good for your nails, you know. But today I'm just going to use it as it is. Hopefully you're all very healthy. Just put it all in. Now, am I forgetting anything there, Kirby? No, that's everything, is it? Sea salt to taste, yeah. And I didn't, yeah. So here we go. Noise. Kirby, would you mind getting me a spoon from the little table there, please? Thanks very much. Yeah. Do you like salt? Just taste it for salt, would you mind? You can hold it, it's okay. It's a bit bitter, isn't it? Is it okay salt-wise? Okay, well, we'll go with that then. So that's it. That's the demo. Oh, thank you, Kirby. So it'll be in this jug, develops its flavours as it gets older, gets stronger, a bit stronger.